Whether you are a bull or a bear today, one thing is clear. Volatility is here to stay. I asked a billionaire investor entrepreneur who has decades of experience in public and private markets for his take. Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban told me why he thinks trading in the stock market is more dangerous than ever.
In 2008, we didn't have high-frequency trading the way we have it today. There's so many different algorithms that are competing from different sources with each other that they're playing against, like Terminator Rise of the Machine. There were multiple algorithms that appear to have decided to, sell a lot of different elements, a lot of different asset classes, which in turn triggered other algorithms, which in turn triggered other algorithms, and it was a cascading effect. That's the danger of when you have algorithms trading and there's no human intervention.
My next guest agrees. He is the president of Heritage Capital, Paul Schatz, with me now from Connecticut. So, Paul, you're saying you're not going to be surprised if the SEC opens a formal inquiry into Monday's trading as another flash crash. Why is that?
Good afternoon. I'm not going to be, because just like the flash, this was a flash crash. Perhaps it wasn't as dramatic. Maybe the footprint was a little different. This is a flash crash. When you have ETFs going down 10, 15, 20, 25, 30% in a minute. You've got stocks like Verizon, GE, McKesson. It goes on and on. I stopped doing the research because it annoyed me so much. I feverishly tried to buy XLV, one of the positions I've been waiting to buy. It opens down. Next thing I know, it's down 20% and 26% in a minute. So this is not normal trading. This is more like third world trading. The system was broken. We hear nothing from the NASD, nothing from the NASDAQ, nothing from the NYSE. And I'm sure the likes of the Virtus and the Goldmans and the Credit Suisses are ecstatic about it because they're printing money.
So, Paul, what about co-location? What about this idea that even me from my house, maybe I'm a retired dentist, I'm executing through Charles Schwab or any other broker, my money is paired with other smaller amounts of money. I have the same chance as the institutions. You're saying I'm wrong if I believe that. It's probably the first time in my life I've ever agreed with Mark Cuban, but he's right. It's machine against machine against machine. One algo sniffs out another algo, sniffs out another algo. They're making millions of trades each and every second on thousands of stocks. The blueprint, to me, the footprint on Monday was you have all these small positions going by, not 1,000 and 10,000 share lots, but they're under 100 shares. To me, the little guy who had their stop loss in absolutely got crushed, and they shouldn't have Monday morning. To me, it was a travesty. Well, Paul Schatz, we are glad to have you with us. I know, or I take it, you are not a Mavericks fan. We hope you rejoin us at another point. Paul Schatz, Heritage Capital President.